Watermouth EMT.
I'm just out of my element, addicted to my own bars. You rap niggas can't sell me shit. I'm too deaf, you can't tell me shit. Never been fucked, I'm celibate. None of these niggas don't owe me shit. Got everything but my damn self. Ain't none of these people had told me shit. Goddamn, my flow is cold as shit. You bout to hear some of the coldest shit. I be on some new shit. I'm an asshole, you asshole, yup, all I see is me, shit. It must be only me, shit. You thought this was my artist, then I know you haven't seen shit. I hear I'm on some major shit. Everyone trying to turn up, but they ain't saying shit. Ain't never been scared to say the shit. I'm on that fuck it, what you saying shit. Miss me with that bullshit. I'm in my own lane, do my own thing. Ain't none of these niggas who ain't doing shit. You say you hot, then prove the shit. I say I'm hot cause I can prove the shit. Ain't got time for no weak shit. Or rappers who still waiting on deals. Now that's some deep shit. Probably think I'm on some creep shit. Now cause you a bubblegum rapper, you on some sweet shit. What happened to that real shit? You know back when MCs was actually spitting that real shit, I always hear I'm gon' kill shit. 50 mixtapes later still shit. I'm always on some fly shit. That's why your fan base done elevated and